morons.
We're the Infestupons.
We'll be visiting you from now on.
We own you now. The Fartroids are never coming back here again. We took care of them. They're scared of you humans. You're weak, and you're dangerous, and you're dangerous to the whole universe, and you need to be taught a lesson. We're gonna infest you guys. We're gonna infest your every dream. You're just a bunch of sheep and cattle, easy to control and dominate. A bunch of sheep and cattle. A bunch of sheep and cattle. Put fear in you, man. You live in a fear-based society, and everything scares the hell out of ya. So we're gonna use you up until nothing's left. Wait until our allies and our friends join us. We're gonna make you pay and turn you into slaves. The Fartroids, they're off somewhere else. They don't wanna. They realize that you guys are a hopeless case.
We're back. Fartroids are back. Oh no! What the what? Infestupons.
Get 'em, get 'em, get 'em.
Yup.
Quick, quick.
So long, Infestupons. Ooh, Infestupon ship blow up. Go boom. Yup.
What's
Yup.
this? Laser, light, bright light. Right on. Yup. Laser, light, bright light. Okay, right on. Alright. Yup.
Earthlings, subscribe to Fartroids. Subscribe. Earthlings, subscribe. Subscribe to Fartroids.